Welcome to the Scout Pro tutorial series for the grower version. In this video we will cover creating new farms and fields for your account, as well as drawing boundaries. Upon registering and logging in, you should arrive at this screen. Tap on the white bar next to the Add Farm option and enter in your farm name. When you're done, choose Add Farm. You can continue to add new farms if you choose, or continue forward with the current farm you just entered. Tap on that farm, note the check mark next to it, and choose Next. On this screen we will enter in our field name. After entering in the field name, choose Add Field. Select the specific field, noting the check mark, and choose Done. After you've selected the field, the map should appear and you should see the blinking blue beacon. If you do not see this, that means that your location services is not on. In order to turn on location services, exit out of the app and open up the settings within the iPad itself. From the left-hand menu, select Privacy and choose Location Services in the top. Scroll down and look for your Scout Pro app. Select it and make sure that the check mark is next to Always as opposed to Never. Return to the Scout Pro application when you have completed this. Your beacon should appear and we can begin drawing a map boundary. If you're not in the field that you would like to draw a boundary on, zoom out by pinching your fingers together and find the field you would like to draw a boundary for. Zoom in and place the field so that the corners are appropriately aligned as to how you would like to draw the boundary. In order to draw, we will begin in the top center of the map, choosing the Start button. Next, select the plus option right in the center, and using your finger, move to a corner of the field that you would like to start drawing the boundary for. Tap your finger once and a purple pin should appear. Return to the plus a second time and move to the next corner. As I continue to draw the boundary for the field, I'm always returning to the plus sign in order to pick up a new pin and drop it on the map. Note that I am working in a circular fashion in order to have an appropriate boundary. There will be an option to edit the map when you're completed. As I have chosen Save, and you see that I can now drag the pins to edit the map, I'm going to zoom in and start with the pins around this acreage. First I tap on the pin I want to move once and release. Tap again and hold, and the pin will pull up and be available for me to move. Once you get the hang of it, you'll understand the best way for it to work for you. However, these pins can always be moved and edited as needed. If you would like to redraw the entire map, choose Clear Boundary in the top center. Otherwise, hit Save when you have completed it. When you have finished editing your boundary and would like to return to a different farm or field, or simply add new fields, return to the Now Scouting bar in the top center. Choose the drop-down menu where we can add more farms again, or choose Next to add a new field